right, let me show you for reference. So this is my 5-gallon Home Depot bucket. And let me just get level here. That's the size of my pile. This thing is huge. And I know it's still hard to kind of show you the size of it. But, I mean, this is 4x4. 4x4 square foot gardening. So there's my pile. I mean, I would say this is at least 8x8. And let me show you what I do. So obviously you can see the grass clippings. So I'll throw my grass clippings and then I just throw all of my other weeds in there. Some of them are not even weed, but like this is jewelweed. I like coming out here after a little rain. You find jewelweed, just make sure it's jewelweed, not poison ivy and other stuff. But you just grab it by the stem and look. That's the root system. It just comes right out. And I just kind of let it grow and then I pluck it out and just pile it on. It takes no effort. You see that? The key is to pull it slowly. So like look at this big fat one, right? If you were to jerk it, you probably would break it. But if you take it and just slowly, it's actually stuck in the fence here, but you get the idea. And you just do that. And then what I do about once a week is you take some water, get it nice and wet. Obviously a little more than that, but you get the idea. And then I get one of these and I just cover it up. After I cover it up, I get a little bit more water. Get it nice and wet. I didn't do a good job, but you guys get the idea. And that's it. I mean, that's the level of effort that goes into this. And of course, this part back here is at least a month old, right? So if I were to kind of get this out of the way, I mean, look, this is your regular soil that you would pay money for. I'm gonna let it stay obviously a few more months, maybe even through the winter. But if you actually dig in the middle, I mean, you can see the steam coming out. I don't know if you can see it on camera. Do you or do you not? If you do, let me know in the comments, but I see steam coming out. But yeah, that's how I do gardening out here. And then this right here was from last year. And then that was from last year. I just didn't finish up. I mean, it's ready to go. I just didn't use it. But this is all from last year. And as you can see, I didn't have time to maintain everything. But all this stuff that people hate, I just take it out and add it to the pile. Thanks for watching, guys. Let me know if you have any questions.